Furnace repair in Dundee, Michigan is easy when you work with J&K Heating. Some furnace repair issues that are common are dirty ductwork, old filters. Maybe you have a bad limit switch. It's possible there's a faulty starter, and sometimes that thermostat just needs repair. When you work with J&K Heating, they have licensed trained professionals who are experts in all things furnace repair, right there in Dundee, Michigan, ready for a 24/7 emergency or a simple maintenance call to repair your furnace. So what are you waiting for? Get started today with J&K Heating. Give them a call to 734-587-3184. You'll be glad you did, and you'll be warmer too. Call J&K Heating for your furnace repair.